In this video, I want to walk you through how I plan and structure my week to stay on top of everything I want to get done without feeling overwhelmed. This is the method that I personally use to create more balance, clarity, and time for things that matters most to me. What helped me the most is actually blocking out every hour of my day. It gives me a really clear picture on how I'm spending my time and where I might want to shift my focus. I've divided my life into 5 main categories, and I will tell you more about those in a moment. I always start by filling in the blocks that are already a part of my daily or weekly rhythm, like meals, bedtime, and daily habits such as journaling. This helps me to understand how much of my day is already occupied, and from there, I can easily move other blocks around to fit my changing schedule. Then, I focus on the things that can't be moved around, like work hours, school, or appointments. They are the first blocks I add to my calendar, and once those are set, I can begin to fill in the rest with whatever it is that I want to get done, whether that's workout, time with friends, or something creative. The key for me has always been to keep it both effective and realistic, because there is no point in cramming in a lot of tasks that just stresses you out. I try to plan in a way that supports the life that I actually want to live and not just a to-do list. A cool feature I love using is being able to filter and view just one category at a time. That way, I can see exactly how much time I am spending on each area of my life. It's a simple way to stay aware of where your time actually goes. Something that really helps during this process is keeping my yearly vision board next to me. I use it as a reminder of where I want to go and who I want to be. I take a few minutes to reflect on how the past week went. What worked, what didn't, and what can I improve for this next week. So now, here is how I've divided my life into categories. First up, we have career, development, and wealth. Then we have food and health. Next up is movement and body. Then we have relationships. And last up, we have self-care and mind. Each one has its own color, and I use those colors consistently across my templates, schedules, and planning tools. If you have been wanting to feel a little bit more organized, more intentional with your time, or just a little less overwhelmed, this is your time to start, and you can start small. Create your own categories or simply block out a few hours of your week, and it doesn't have to be perfect. Remember, the most important thing is just to start, and you can always adjust as you go. Thank you so much for watching this video. Good luck planning, and I will see you very soon. Bye.